Hi, and welcome back. It's been quite some time since we've given you an update on our garden.
Yeah, since I've started working full time off of the homestead, um, we haven't really put out a lot of videos, and it's due to a couple of factors. One, with the time constraints with me and Daniil working both full time. And the other thing is also we've had some problems. Our camera completely broke down, and we got a new camera. My family blessed me with a new camera now for Christmas, or was it the anniversary?
Anniversary.
Sorry, for our anniversary present. Got a new camera, and we are now being able to record again. But for a couple of months, I couldn't really put out videos, and that doesn't mean that the garden stood still or that the homestead stood still. Um, there are a couple of things we've done, and we want to update you on that as well. But we also, on the other hand, with our time being so restricted, the time that we spend in the garden, you'll see a lot of neglect because we couldn't always get to whatever we needed to do to maintain the garden. But we've done some improvements as well.